Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so I'm just trying to give you a small points related to indicators where majority of people make mistakes by adding so many indicators to their either it's like you're using free trading view, MT4 or MT5. Don't try to add so many indicators. The reason for that, like when you add so many indicators, you will be led like nowhere. Means you're going nowhere because of your decision making skills will get very poor because of the confusions which will create because of the indicators. When we have so many indicators, we don't know what exactly we are doing, and every indicators as per the time frame everything change. If at all you're an intraday trader and you have done your analysis on forehead, now definitely I will suggest to stick on to the lower time frame for entries and exit. So as long as you are into the trades, what is your part, like where you're going to look for a buy entry and where you're going to look for a sale entry, that is important. So adding so many indicators will lead you nowhere. That is my point. This is what I'm trying to show you. Try to stick with fewer indicators. And second important thing, every indicator, the person who has created that indicator made the coding as per his convenience, means for his understanding how he is going to trade, what confluence he will take from the indicators, the way he has coded to get confirmation in his way for his understanding. So what he understand is like he will trade as according to that. So for you to understand that, you need to understand this thing, that that indicator was created as per his preference. So I need to catch up that thing, like what he is looking. If at all I'm doing some back testing, where I need to look for an entry for buying, where I need to look for entry for selling. So this is what I need to look if at all I'm going to use that indicator. So indicators either you're using on MT4, MT5, trading view, again the same story repeats the same thing, that every indicators, whoever is the developer of that particular indicator, have done his things in his way for his understanding, because he is the one who is going to use for himself. Understand? So without knowing, means without you back testing, don't try to use that particular indicator strategy on your live accounts. First try to understand the indicator as much as you can on the demo. Use your demo accounts, try to understand the indicators. It's not like 1 minute, 2 minute, or 10 back testing, 20 back testing, you're done and you say, yeah, I'm perfect with it and I will. But another point what you're missing out here is the back testing results will not be the same on live accounts. So live market use demo, not the live account, but use demo accounts when you're testing. Reason for that, when you're doing on back testing, every candle, suppose this is a 15-minute candle, just in 3 seconds, even though the speed is slow, it will just finish up within 3 seconds to 5 seconds max. This candle is done. So normally our candle is for 15 minutes, and when we go back again on lower time frame, that is on 5 minutes, see the difference how the indicator is playing on that particular time frame again. So you need to understand, if I'm going to use this indicator, what should be the thing I need to understand in this indicator. Means whether if I'm going to use it, first I need to practice in the sense, use demo accounts, not on your live accounts. And again understand one thing, back testing is a very good thing to practice, uh, but understand the results will not be the same. I showed you the clear answer for that is, every candle, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes candle, within 3 to 5 seconds these candles will get finished in back testing. So in back testing you can easily understand every single thing, but in live market, that's where you need to understand how it's going to work for you, because your fear factor will come into play, your emotions, that's what plays an important role when you're trading. So these all things will come into play. So first try to stick with your analysis, means as per your trading style, do your proper markups, then look into the lower time frames, use of indicators. I'm not against any indicator, let me be honest, I myself use an indicator. Okay, so the thing is that you are going to use an indicator, try to first understand the indicator. Don't directly use the indicators with your live accounts, and don't try to blow up your accounts. Okay, so as long as you make your charts very clean, that's where you're going to benefit more. Importantly, again you try to understand my point, MT4, MT5 or trading view, any indicators are used on this these platforms are the indicators which have been developed or created by the developer was coded in his own understanding, the way he will understand. Okay, so please understand this. Don't try to make a mess with your own charts. Do your analysis. First priority I will give, if at all I'm the one, I always do that. Like I do my analysis on Forex, and I don't stick with many indicators. Let me be honest. I'm not here to promote my indicator. Let me be honest about that as well. See this. If at all before I do my analysis, what I will do just simple thing that I'm on Forex. I will just do my analysis properly. Whatever I see, based on that, I will just mark up, and then I will see what is happening, and then I will just go into the lower time frame and I will look for opportunities as accordingly. Okay, if I'm using 15 minutes, means I go with time frames in my ways, what I prefer, as according to that I go with that time frames, and then I open my indicator, and that's all I do. Simple. You can see that it exactly gave me the location. So my priority, even though I am the one who created this thing, like the way I want it, I still rely on analysis first, then on indicator, not directly on indicator. Please understand my point. It's very simple logic. Don't make a mess of yourself. Like, don't blame later to someone. Everyone has their own way of presenting, different way of presentation. Understand? So everyone understand in different way. That is important. So you need to stick the things with the things which works for you. Indicators are good to use, no doubt about that, but for additional confirmation, try to analyze first. Use usage of time frames, multiple time frames. Proper way of analyzing will fetch you a good result and a profitable trader. You can be a profitable trader always, but relying completely on indicator always, trust me, it's not a good option. Okay, my dear friends, I will be stopping this video here, and I hope you liked it. And I hope I gave some valuable information or valuable content, whatever you feel like. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon to get the notification when I upload any new video or when I will be live, because soon I will be doing some live sessions as well. So make sure you click that bell icon to get the notification. In apart from that, stay happy, be safe, may God bless all, and thanks for watching this video. Stay safe always. Thanks again for watching.